Hello and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to reset Netflix app settings. So to do this, you have two options. The first one is to go to the Netflix app and click long press on it. After that, click remove app, and after that, click delete app directly from here. Or you have to go to settings, and after that go to general, and after that go to iPhone storage and look for the Netflix app. Let's look for it, Netflix, and from here click on delete app and click on delete, and after that reinstall the app again on your phone. And you can do this if the app is not working properly on your phone. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.